Abuja for mom good day. Medium penalty ni party. My share several times, but to me no dear. Me who say a penalty. Me who say a penalty power honor. Because my share replay na sha me who didn't take him outside you a penalty honor. But in honor, referee no in the gina game muna. Unum said ye. On a kunu school na usana law. Ana was a penalty assume. But almost but kotokoso itimi ebetenika ensu honom abrante fense Peter Amidu Akwa and Samba O'Neil the capitano and the Congolese soldier also itimi eti Canada ma Asante Kotoko enso honom tina die ehowie no bia timi ehye ne yonko eka mbienu omakon at again 1 point the aka ne points so honom enso so when first half no Mediema dominate here. First half no na enema enkoye mfama Asante Kotoko na second half no na game no dane ye ma Kotoko so ebeti second half no boy ma omutimi yakichere anaso omutimi ebeti omoka enso hono ya brante fese Peter Amidu Akwa ne Samba O'Neil na omutimi eti ekanwa Asante Kotoko brana Asante Kotoko eda efom eka mienu na Molfin Tonzo Ablanti ebe yiri because apart from saying any has boy na was share penalty ever since so back Kotoko it me no Ablanti no me de to me no dey nkebe yanka Ablanti no mpanifo ensa enya ne kwa mane enko because I don't see the reason why here all the time no Ablanti no ono so e contributing in the quota the part gentia den ba Asante Kotoko no so betimi atoto entra e de ama Asante Kotoko because of say Ablanti abet amo akoye na nke fise bia Ablanti betimi ahye abet amo apobo akese no nanka watoto entra e de ama Asante Kotoko enso but in all wabo so many and several matches at the man Asante Kotoko I was one goal Satam against Accra House of Folk and a penalty or incline into Mantamu. I mean, did he say? But because Mediema penalty in the machine so many times, said this how can this be penalty? But so many times and so but referee is a penalty no Jidema Mediema and so on Shema say no obia to Michelle Yonko eka paku na say eka mienu and so honum na Ablanti fan say Lord Amwa in the timinya man of the match and say warrior of the match Ablanti no be mono so ni papa ye ba say yan run pad there Ablanti no onye easy honum betimi and I say take ons betimi walk papa Ablanti fan is say in UC bibisa the Muslim name Ablanti also and the bad Kotoko about 56% and Mediema about 44%. Kotoko about 18 shots and Mediema about 9 shots. Shot on target and Kotoko there 7 and Mediema there 5. Yellow cards Mediema 3. Kotoko 2 corners. Kotoko 6 and Mediema 2 and so we are going to have fun with Asante Kotoko, but to be there, it wasn't a penalty. Okay, my crown.